I've been on this full shit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense, go hit the club. I ride with four bitches, call me Coke. 24, or her no more. That little bitch, she do the most. I get my groove on every time I see them folks.
That's one of my favorite songs, you feel me, like a year or two ago. So, you know, I had to turn it on to hype myself up for today's video. But what's up, y'all? It's your boy Zay. It's officially a new year. You feel what I'm saying, y'all? Hope everyone had a great holiday, a great Christmas, a great New Year, great New Year's. Hope this year be a better year than last year was. You feel what I'm saying? I was currently on leave for like 2-3 weeks. You feel what I'm saying? I ended up going to Alabama, and in the midst of me going home to Alabama, you feel what I'm saying, with the Puerto Rico. Look, I advise everybody to go to Puerto Rico. I was out there for like 5 days, partied the entire time I was there. It was lit. I had crazy fun. But yeah, other than that, you know what I'm saying, again, hope everybody had a great year. I mean, a great New Year's. And if you're new to the channel, you're new to my videos, whatever the case may be, my glass kind of creaked, but whatever the case may be, like I said, my name Bama Boy Zay, and the purpose of me pretty much making these videos is to document my trades. You feel what I'm saying? I want to document my trade and journey, and pretty much as I learn, as I go through my learning process and through my trials and tribulations, bring you guys along with me. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, today's video is gonna be kind of different from my past couple of videos. Today's video is a watch list, pretty much going into next week, which is the 6th, which is Monday. You know what I'm saying? Today is like 1-2 o'clock in the morning right now, so it's Sunday right now. So it's the watch list going into tomorrow or Tuesday, whatever the case may be. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, I pretty much wrote some notes prior to me recording, so I can try to keep this thing pretty organized so you guys can follow along with me. Today's watch list, I'm only doing one. Oh, my light almost fell. I'm only doing one stock for my watch list, which is NVDA. Jesus, my light went out, stay for nothing. My setup is trash, I kid you guys not, but we working on it. We working on it. My vision, the little lens ended up blurring. But yeah, so the videos is the only thing I'm having on my watch list today, since this is my first time doing a video like this. I'm just trying to test it out and see how it goes. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, the first thing I would like to say going into this trade is I'm not going into this trade biased at all. So with me acknowledging that, you feel what I'm saying, I pretty much mapped out what could potentially happen, you feel what I'm saying, for me to enter for a long position, and what could potentially happen for me to enter for a short position. You feel what I'm saying? And I'll label all that, have all that labeled right here on my little piece of paper, so I can follow along with my notes. You feel me? So first thing first, like I said, we in the my bad, I had a break, I exited that out. First thing first, like I said, we in the video. Make sure it's recording. So I'm gonna start with what I see going into analyzing the charts right now as a long position, for me to enter for a long position. I would like to say price had touched the 50 AAM, well 50 MA, I meant to say. Price touched the 50 MA previously, which is right here, and it touched right here. See, can I zoom in a little bit for you guys? I zoomed out, which is right here and right here. Price touched that and also broke the 50 AM. You feel what I'm saying? Which could potentially means that price can continue in the uptrend for a little bit longer. You feel what I'm saying? Let's go into the hourly time frame now. Hold on, make sure that's everything for the daily time frame. My bad. Yeah, okay, now I can go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, I wrote pretty much price broke resistance and could potentially continue up $2 more to the 146.26 zone to touch the overall resistance line, So what I mean by that is, as you can see, price broke the hourly support and resistance zone, which is these zones I labeled right here. You feel what I'm saying? These two squares I labeled right here. Prices broke that. You feel what I'm saying? And could potentially continue up to this zone right here. You can probably see it better, which I labeled it as the overall support and resistance zone. You can see it better on the time frame. Price can potentially come up here to this 46.5 zone. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like I said you feel what I'm saying a lot. If I do, just let me know. It's how I talk. Back to what I was saying though. My apologies. Yeah, so price could potentially continue going up there if price breaks through this 144.85 zone. Might do a little back test on the 5-minute chart, whatever the case may be, and continue up for that $2 move. Let's go to the 5 minutes one more time to see for what needs to happen for a long position. Price has a good volume, so what I'm seeing in the 5-minute chart is price have good volume compared to the other one. So volume is pretty much right here. You see it made two nice size volume candles compared to these other candles, which could potentially indicate that price could continue going up and touch that zone. But also what I might need to happen for me to enter this trade, especially in the 5-minute chart, is for price to break this 144.8 zone. Price break that zone, 9 times out of 10 I will enter. I'll probably swing trade it for a long position for like a day or two, so I can hit that $2 mark that I was talking about. Alright, so that's my pretty much visual going into what might potentially happen for the long position. On the, like I said, for a long position. That would I see what might potentially happen for me to enter for a long position. Now let's go into the short position. What do I pretty much need to see happening in the market for me to enter a short position? And also, what do I pretty much see that's currently going on right now that could indicate that the market could potentially go down, whatever the case may be. So first thing that I see is, oh crap, papers are going everywhere. Go to the daily time frame. Yeah, I'm already here. Okay, price is above the overall downtrend. Well, price is above the overall support and resistance lines, which is right here, which is in a downtrend. As you can see, price has broke through this zone right here, and could potentially come back down to the 139.9 zone, which is pretty much, I have a label right here with this little line. It could potentially come back down to this zone. Now with this, I'll probably want to swing trade this if that might happen, because it could potentially come down to that zone and continue going up. You feel me? I might day trade that or swing trade it for just a day, not no 2-3 days, like I'm pretty much looking into doing with the long position. But yeah, that's what I pretty much see on the daily time frame for a short position. What I also see on the hourly time frame for a short position is that price broke through the 142 zone. Let's go to the hourly time frame, my bad. But price broke through the 142 zone and could potentially come back down and test the zone. So let's say broke through the 142. 142 is like right here, but we can just map it out at 141.74. Price broke this zone, as we can see pretty much. It broke this zone. It could potentially come back down to this zone. Also, what pretty much can indicate that price might come back down to this zone is the candles right here. These are low volume candles, which you can see the candles are small. I believe this candle is called some call it a dragonfly candle, I think, if I'm not mistaken, or a morning star candle, which pretty much indicates a reversal in the market. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I pretty much see happening going into Monday. That's my visual. That's what I'm pretty much planning on looking into. Like I said, I'm trying to take it, it's a new year. I'm not trying to go crazy and just hop into every stock once. You feel me? I'm gonna take it slow. So I'm looking at one stock at a time for a week. Well, for this week going. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, that's my pretty much insight for my watch list going into next week. I'll make a video on how did I do, you feel me? And I just want you guys to know I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm roughly still a beginner at options trading. I've only been doing it for like a year now. I've made a couple of profits. Not the best, but it's been a slowly progressive. It's been slowly progressive, you feel what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm excited, but thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all watched it all the way through, please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And just know you guys can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. So please keep God first in y'all life. I love y'all. Y'all have a good night or day, whatever time it is where you at. But peace, I'm gone.